I'm going to show you guys some of the Zomas wood carving kit. Some of the tools here, how well they work. These are carbon steel. Like here's a nice little gouge. There's a set of 12 tools. You get 4 gouges, 4 chisels, and 4 really fine knife points. They vary in angles and shallowness, but they're actually really good. They come really sharp to give you guys an ideal. I've not noticed any hot spots while using the tools, so they are very comfortable. I have medium-sized hands, and you can see here it works really well. You can use these to carve pretty much anything, for touching up old antique furniture, pumpkin carving, which is, coming right up. Does good for detail work, small work. You can see there, already got chips, and you can come up here and see what the gouge was going through. Works very well. It does come in a little protective case, just a little plastic case like this, and you do get a tool wipe, so you can wipe your tools down, and you also get an ebook. This is the Zonmas. Zonmas. You can find them on Amazon. Running you about 15 bucks. It's a good set. Give you an ideal. Your finer knife point. So you really start to get the detail of it. This kit is definitely good enough for a beginner like me. The tool is also small enough so that you can supervise the kid and have some pumpkin carving fun or other crafts. And you also have the recurve here, so you can get into better places, long corners and stuff like that. It's well thought out and they do work. I would definitely suggest picking up a set, especially going to start carving anything like a bowl or a cup or anything like that. These work really good. Once you start getting your shape and you start getting out to this thinner wall here, once you've hollowed this all out, these work really great because it allows you to go in there and not take too much off. So you guys should check that out. I really didn't find anything negative to say about these. They feel great in the hand. The wood is nice. It's not sharp edges anywhere on here. It's really designed to be ergonomical in your hands. It's really a great product. So you guys enjoy.